Anybody need a ride? No, I'm kidding. Good afternoon, everybody. It's John Kirk. I'm here at the all new, almost, it feels like it's virtually new.
Yes.
The Bavaro Princess Hotel in Punta Cana.
The Grand
Princess.
Princess. It's now renamed.
This property has gone under an incredible transformation over the last 6 months. They've had over, how many people? Over 6,000 employees were working here.
Yes.
And spent, what was the total?
Over
well, not the total.
million.
Yeah, $100 million, which you can clearly see by the amount of work that's been undertaken here. So, just give us a quick bit of history about this product, because it's going. When are you opening the product up for sale with Sunwing?
We're opening it up for sale as of January 15th this month, so next week. And
This way?
yes, right up away. Sorry, we got to go guide.
Yeah.
Got to guide John. He's out of his element, not driving.
Well, I'm in a bell cart. I'm usually in my car.
So January 15th, it's opening for sale with us. It's already open to other guests, so we're being a little bit careful and just to make sure everything is done. This is why John and I are here, having a look around, making sure everything's ready for our guests.
Yeah.
And pleasantly surprised that everything is. So we're good, and we're opening it up for sale and get ready to receive the clients.
And how many? So the property used to have 860 or so rooms.
Yeah, 890 rooms, and now it's jumped up to 1,290 rooms.
Well, it feels like it's a new hotel, and you've got they've actually now, there's almost 3 separate products available here now too, right? Because we saw the family club, the family hotel area, which are incredible. The rooms there, I mean, tell us about those.
Oh, the rooms there, they used to be what we would call the junior suites, and now they're just incredible. They've put in maximizing the space. They put in bunk beds, which are really, I mean, even as adults, you just want to use them and jump into those. Those beds are great. It's very comfortable. It gives parents, and as a parent of having 2 kids, you have a clear section with 2 adults and 2 kids, and the 2 kids have their own space. So it's great. And they've surrounded it by a water park for kids, kids club, and a specific and exclusive restaurant for them.
They've also developed the Platinum. The Platinum program?
Yes, so the Platinum Club is basically kind of like their VIP section, with you have upgraded amenities and the different decor and amenities in the room, and they've taken the villas around the room, around the beach area, and given them a unique touch. You know, you have your liquor bar in the rooms. You also have a dedicated pool, exclusive beach area, and an exclusive restaurant and restaurant bar top by the beach.
And we were going to drop in the picture of the rooms I'm about to talk about, but we did these. We looked at the standard, which is the entry level rooms. We took a look at. They have been transformed and look incredible. So
they did an excellent job on this property. I mean, the one unique thing that you have with this property in Punta Cana is that we're all used to, and at least the travel community is used to, having these lead-in categories for the price point, and they're usually the most undesirable rooms. The beauty of this property is every single room here is a suite.
And with the picture, I hope we may have put it in there by now, but when it feels like you're in a junior suite. There's like a separate living sitting area, and then there's the hotel, the bed area, obviously.
Yeah, and for those people that have come here for years and years, and obviously at Sunwing we've had a tremendous amount of repeaters here that are really, really happy, because it's a very, very unique property. The way you've seen it's laid out, there's lush greenery. It's not big buildings and concrete everywhere. I think they'll be very pleasantly surprised, because it's a renovation, getting it up to date, making it modern, clean lines. I wouldn't say so much minimalistic, but I think everything's done very, very tastefully.
Yeah, well, it's unbelievable use of the space. Family rooms are incredible, and they've seemed to have kept the feel with all the gardens. And I was amazed when the general manager, fantastic guy, by the way, he's like a big, jolly teddy. A fantastic guy. We just had lunch with him. He said there's over 3,300 or 3,400 palm trees, original palm trees, here at this property. So they've done an incredible job at keeping everything, the gardening and everything intact throughout all that unbelievable construction. Speaking of construction, there really is no construction to speak of now. There's little detail things going on, I think.
Sorry, I'm hot. I'm getting hot here.
Yeah.
Fantastic product. I mean, I'm sure you're going to show some highlights of some of the restaurants that you and I visited.
Yeah.
The F&B offering is great. The sports bar is fantastic with the 2 floors. You can watch sporting events from both floors, pinball machines, the arcade games, and everything.
Can I go left here?
So yeah, you can do that.
Again, a truck. This time I'm gonna go head on head with the truck here. So, you know what's important for everybody to
Go left now.
take notice of here. Eric is head of product on the senior executive of the Sunwing Group, but also responsible for all product. All destination product with your team. And for you, this is different because usually we have sales and marketing driven people in the mobile studio, which is now a bell card.
They've allowed me out. They usually don't like me. They don't allow me out.
They don't let them speak. No, but it's different to hear it from your perspective. So, I mean, obviously you're very proud about this, the development. You had a long-term relationship here at a personal level. Yep. And can we go right down here?
No, you can go, either way. You
follow that truck.
Yeah, follow the truck. So, and they asked us, they sat down with us and we said, okay, what would you suggest we do? So we talked to them about the USB plugs in the rooms. We talked to them about the rain showers. We talked to them about these things. And it's nice that what you saw today, a lot of it, not that I want to take credit for it, but it just feels good that they listened. Right?
Yep. Whoa, there's my break again. I don't know. Okay, man. I think we've gone over our time, and we're approaching the Platinum new restaurant area there too. So I think it is time for un poquito siesta.
Sí, y ir a la playa, because I am boiling. It's cooking, it's sunny, it's beautiful.
And tutto grande cerveza, por favor, and finito. Tormanado.
Vamos a la playa.
Okay. Thanks very much, everybody. Eric, thanks for having us down here.
Thank you for having me.
I hope this is helpful for everybody because agents are going to love selling the new and improved Grand Bavaro Princess. So thanks very much, everybody. And thanks for continuing to watch and your great support. Thank you.